Man, oh man, our wind is really picking up. I just heard a big crash. It was a tree came down. I don't know which tree. This big one that I've been worried about, we had an arborist come and check it out. Whoa. Yikes, look at this. My birdhouse, the top of the birdhouse went flying. I am really worried. I don't know which tree fell, but it was a big tree. I heard the typical crack and crunch.
Oh.
But no, just now I just heard a big tree come crashing down.
I think it was one of those pine trees, maybe?
Yeah, the ones on the other side of our building, our storage area. I don't want to go out and look. I imagine the power is going out everywhere. We're not on generator yet, so that gust was over 50 miles an hour.
I believe it. You have to lean into it to not fall down. Probably.
Yeah, it knocked me over. I'm going to go.
I grabbed hold of something. I was going to try to get that kitty thing, but I don't.
No.
It wouldn't be safe.
No, look at the leaves.
No kidding. And those flags are just ripping. Man.
Yeah.
Never seen them that fast.
I'm going to go check the other side, see where that tree fell.
Cars are running on the highway.
Yeah. Little hamster. Ginger Snap. Come here, Ginger Snap. Are you sleeping through the storm? Come on, Ginger Snap. Ginger Snap. Wow. The mighty windstorm. There's Ginger Snap. Hello, Ginger Snap. I don't trust you. You bit me the other day. Yeah, but I picked her up in the middle and it scared her. And so she bit me. She got me pretty good. That was the first time she bit me. Hello, Ginger Snap. Ginger Snap. My 2 international students, they love having the hamster. I don't know where that tree fell. God, it feels like an earthquake. But these are dangerous because they are broken from the ice storm. We're on generator now. Power is out. Noisy but necessary. Well, we're on generator, and I'm pretty sure the school doesn't have power either. This is a very bad windstorm. My cushions are flying. I'm going to have Larry go pick up the girls. I better call him now.